In this video, we will go over creating your own dashboard, using that created dashboard as your home screen, and as well as sharing the dashboard with other employees. Okay, let's go to control. Right now we're looking at the default dashboard. You have the ability to add your own instruments, things that you may do on a daily basis in control. You can actually add to your dashboard. So let's go ahead and remove some of these different instruments here. And let's say that I want to add in my own personal whip list on my dashboard. To do so, I want to click on Add Instrument. I want to select the Explorer, and I want to explore by orders. So I'm going to choose my Order Explorer. That is actually going to open up a list of all orders in the system. And I can actually drag this screen down, as well as I can move it over. Right now I have 3 active columns. I can then remove a column, which will actually give me more space. So now, to actually filter this instrument so it only shows me my whip list, I will have to click on my edit button on top of the instrument, and it's going to take up the whole screen and give me my different filters that I can filter by. In this case, I want to change this name to say whip list. Right now I can have this particular instrument refresh every 60 minutes. I can have it do it every 30 minutes, so that I have an active list. It's going to return a maximum of 200 items. I can have it filter, in this case if I wanted to, by company, by the contact's first name or last name on that on the order, by primary salesperson. But in this case, all I really want, I'm going to click on the bottom bar here so I can get more space to see the bottom. I want to only see those orders that are in the whip status. So I'm going to go ahead and uncheck all of these, and I do not want to include service tickets. Now, to see my list, I will have to actually X out of this filter screen, and then now I'm going to see everything that's in the whip status. Now, to make this screen a little bit more custom, I actually can right click within the grid, go to my column chooser, and then filter out some of the information that I may not necessarily need, as well as move it up in the list. So maybe I want to see the order number, the company, the primary salesperson, and the and any payment information, on the order, as well as the contact and their primary phone number. Alright, let's see if I can, there it goes. And let's move it up in the list, and let's uncheck everything else. and we're going to hit OK on this. And then now our actual screen is filtered to show us just the information that we really need. Now I can as well as add in another instrument, because right now we only see those orders. We don't see any kind of line item detail or the products associated with those orders. We can create or add in another instrument. So we want to go back to our Explorer screen. We want to click on our line item Explorer. And of course right now it's going to pull up all line items in the system, just like the Order Explorer did. Want to click on our edit button again, and we want to say we want to make this particular Explorer a sub Explorer of the Order Estimate Explorer. We want to show completed. We want to see everything that's on the actual order. So let's go ahead and close this filter. Let's open it up a little bit. And then now we can see every line item for every selected order. So if I select another order, I will see the line items associated with it. Now, once I have my dashboard configured, the next step would be to actually save it so I can use it again. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a name, and I want to save it or hit OK, so it saves it. And then it's going to ask me, would I like to make this dashboard your home dashboard? I'm going to go ahead and click on yes. And now the next time I log into Control, this will actually be the screen that I would see. Now, I also have the ability to share this dashboard. So now other employees can go to System Setup, User Options, and then the Dashboard Options. And if it's shared, we can go to this drop down here and then preview or pull up their saved dashboards. Alright, so let's go back to our dashboard. We have the ability to lock or unlock our dashboard, as well as and of course locking means that it's not going to allow us to move any of the instruments anywhere. Unlocking it means that I can move different instruments in different locations. And then float means that if I had a dual screen, I actually can move my dashboard to another screen and then use Control on my other screen. This will conclude this video.